How to avoid drunk driving and arrive home safely in 7 steps, Part 1. There is just one way to ensure that you won't be involved in an accident due to drunk driving. Fortunately, the solution is quite straightforward: never drink and drive. Avoid even taking a sip of alcohol if you think you could be driving later. Put yourself in no situation where you would be tempted to drive if you have consumed any alcohol. It's critical to consider these risks and make sound planning before any event that might contain alcohol. Because drinking impairs your judgment, you might choose to drive if the opportunity arises. Saying "I won't drink and drive" is insufficient protection against causing a drunk driving accident. In the end, drinking may change your mind, so you need to eliminate the potential of drunk driving. Select a sober driver. Select a designated driver who will drive and abstain from drinking while you are going to a party or out drinking with pals. Before everyone starts drinking, a driver needs to be chosen, otherwise, there may not be anyone left who is sober. A smart strategy to prevent accidents involving drunk drivers is to use designated drivers. You can establish a system in which each member of your friendship group alternates as the designated driver. Everyone will be required to share in the responsibility in this manner, and nobody will completely miss out on the enjoyment. In any case, the sobriety and lack of a hangover that designated drivers enjoy allow them to frequently outdo others around them who are intoxicated in terms of enjoyment. Make non-alcoholic beverages. When everyone around them is drinking, those who prefer alcoholic beverages frequently find it difficult to refrain from doing the same. Make sure there will be delicious non-alcoholic drinks accessible to you if you are the designated driver among your friends or are driving to an event that will include alcohol. If you choose a beverage you don't typically consume, you can have a treat without consuming alcohol. Ask the bartender to make you a non-alcoholic cocktail if you're in a bar. Make sure you have plenty of your preferred soda or non-alcoholic beer on hand when attending parties and other occasions where guests are encouraged to bring their own beverages. Keep the automobile at home. Do not bring your automobile with you if you are not the designated driver or if you are going out alone. The drive there, stroll back strategy frequently fails. Alcohol-impaired drivers frequently decide to deviate from their initial plan and drive home when forced to leave their car behind at the end of the night. If you don't have access to your car, you can't fall for this trap. It goes without saying that keeping your automobile at home will not be very helpful if you are drinking there or nearby. If this is the case, you might want to entrust the custody of your keys to a family member, friend, or neighbor so that you won't be tempted to drive. Do not give someone who will be drinking with you your keys. Make a call to close relatives or friends. Call a friend or a member of your family to come pick you up if no one around is sober and capable of taking you home. No matter how sober the driver claims to be, never drive with someone who has been drinking. Many people are apprehensive to bother friends or relatives to ask for a ride home because they worry about offending them or causing difficulty. Just keep in mind that your loved ones will be far more angry if you cause an accident while driving intoxicated or while being driven by someone who is impaired.